Hi guys, today's video is going to be on how I color or dye my hair at home. I'm going to do a root retouch today because as you can tell my roots are hideous. So first what you need to do is start off by sectioning your hair. Anybody that colors their hair at home, you want to always section your hair. Sectioning your hair just makes it more of a breeze to have to just work your way through the parts, and it just makes for a cleaner look. For natural girls, you want to make sure you're being extra careful because you do not want to yank out your hair trying to section it. And some people that have natural hair may wash their hair before they color it, because then that way they can kind of blow it out straight and it'll be easier to work through the parts. But I don't like to put that much heat on my hair, so I'm going to blow out my hair after I get done with the entire color. So I'm going to take the back, then I'm going to section that off too. So I'm going to be putting color on that. I don't need to do anything for section it. So, section the front. And then I take the mohawk section and I section that off as well. The color of choice I'm using today is going to be High Color by L'Oreal. And then here is the developer. And for this particular color, it only you can only use 30 volume developer. The only time you would use 20, or you can use 30 volume developer, or you can also use 20 with this box. But the only time you would use 20 is if you have relaxed hair.
My hair, then I let it sit for a few minutes, And I put on the plastic cap. And you want to make sure you clean up the color that you did get on you, and then clean up your area as well while it's processing. So I have about a few minutes.
Hi guys, so I just got done washing and deep conditioning my hair, and I just got done coloring it as well. I had to do a root retouch. So this is how it looks after it's been washed.